A former Kent County assistant prosecutor is awaiting trial in a wrong-way crash after a judge ruled that there is enough evidence to put the case before a jury. Josh Kuiper listened to testimony from Dan Epson, the man injured that night in that crash, before the judge bounded over to circuit court. 24-Hour News 8's Lindsay McComal is live outside of the courthouse tonight with how Kuiper feels about the ruling. Lindsay.
Well, Brian, Kuiper did not show much emotion as the visiting Allegan County judge made that ruling to send the case to circuit court for trial. After court adjourned, though, I did ask Kuiper if he wanted to make a statement to us about the ruling. Here's what he had to say. Mr. Kuiper, do you want to make a statement today? Any statement about it being bound over to circuit? Former Kent County Assistant Prosecutor Josh Kuiper will stand trial for reckless driving causing serious injury. He would not give us a statement, but his attorney did.
Well, this man has suffered greatly. He's been a well-respected prosecutor, assistant prosecutor in this county, and is just a really likable man. He's suffered greatly. You walk in, you hear a doctor tell you it's a minor injury, and he gets bound over for a serious impairment of a body function. Given the medical treatment and the amount of work loss in this particular case, we'll have to have the higher courts take a look at it.
The judge's decision comes after testimony from Dr. Tim Lenters, who oversaw Emson's treatment and testified that the injuries would be on the minor end of the severity spectrum. The court also heard directly from Emson.
I still haven't slept in a bed since it happened more than 1 or 2 nights because my back would hurt when I tried to sleep in a bed. I couldn't sleep on my right side because of the right shoulder injury. I couldn't sleep on my left side because of the hip.
Emson's attorney sent us a statement after the ruling saying in part, quote, "We continue to wait for the day when Dan will be allowed to explain all of what happened to him and how it has affected his life. Until that happens, we will continue to cooperate with the prosecutors and police officers working on this case and fighting for justice just like we are." Now, the visiting judge also said that another judge will have to be appointed from a different county as well for that trial in order to avoid any conflicts of interest. And Kuiper's attorney did already say in court that he plans to waive his circuit court arraignment, and he is still out on bond. Reporting outside the Kent County Courthouse, Lindsay McComal, 24-Hour News 8.
All right, Lindsay, that court case will continue on. Thank you for that live report.